Is your Windows desktop taking forever to load after you log in? Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the fastest fixes to get your desktop loading normally again. Let's get started. So to get started, we are going to open the registry by clicking on the search, and then we right click on the registry, and then we click on run as administrator. So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So before you tweak the registry, you first have to make a backup of the registry, okay? So to do that, you're going to click on the file and then export. So you can export to a location of your choice, okay? The document, desktop, or any location. Then you put the file name and then you click on save, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to export. I'm going to cancel, okay? So now we are going to tweak it. So we are going to expand 8 key current user and then we expand software. So at the software, we are going to scroll down and then we expand Microsoft. So at the Microsoft, we are going to scroll down and then we expand Windows, okay? So at the Windows, I'm going to expand current version. So at the current version, I'm going to scroll down and then I will click on Explorer, okay? So at the Explorer, we are going to create a D word, okay? So I'm going to right click on the Explorer, then I go to New and then D word. So I'm going to name my D word Desktop Process Delay, okay? Okay, so Desktop Process Delay, okay? And then I'll press on the Enter key. So if I double click on the Desktop Process Delay, we have the value data to be 0, okay? We are not going to change it, okay? We are going to maintain the value data to be 0. So I'm going to click on OK. So when you are done, you have to close the registry and then you do a restart of your system, okay, for the changes to take effect. So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.